In this video we're going to show you the integration between the 3D search technology from Shapespace and the Aras PLM solution. So first of all we're going to start with the part. This is just a simple bolt assembly. We can imagine the need to find similar bolts when the one we have doesn't quite meet our requirement. So first of all, let's just take a look at the bolt. We've just configured a simple simple 3D viewer to Aras to facilitate that. So this is the bolt that we're going to try and search for similar items to. So what we do is within the part we click the command find similar parts. This then fires up Shapespace, and Shapespace is now looking at the Aras vault, at all the parts in the Aras vault, and they're all indexed by shape. So we can browse to any part, take a look at it, look at other parts more closely. We can also do additional searching within the Shapespace tool, grouping parts by similar shape. And when we think we found the item that we're looking for, we can then take this back directly into Aras. So clicking the open command in Shapespace takes us back into the Aras environment. Aras prompts us to enter our login credentials again to ensure that we have the right permissions to view this particular part item, and then the part form for the similar part item is displayed. And again, we can go and view this part directly into the viewer via the viewer that we've configured. So hopefully we can see that this part is similar, but it's a longer bolt and smaller diameter.